Hi everyone, welcome back to Casting Vlog. So today I have the new iPhone 15 which I just bought today, and I was previously using an iPhone 12 and I thought of upgrading to the 15 because of the 15 having a more storage, like I was having a 64 GB in the 12. Now this comes with a standard 128 GB, and the cameras are improved now. Before it used to be like 12 megapixel sensor on the 12, but now on the 15 you get a 48 megapixel primary sensor as well, so which is a good thing. And I got this phone at a very good price because I traded in my iPhone 12, and we have the Flipkart this big billion days sale right now. So I leveraged that exchange offer, plus Flipkart has some additional discounts, and plus I had some discount from while I used my credit card to buy this phone. So I got it at a very good price. I'll share the link to this product in the description, so if you want to check out, you can go ahead and take a look at this product as well. The 15 has also got a dynamic island now, which the 12 had a notch, so that is gone. So this is a new design. That is an improvement over the if you're having an iPhone 12. So these are some of the changes, and of course there is not much change in terms of the design or aesthetics or anything. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this, and we're going to take a look. Now both the phones are like 6.1 inches. The 12 was 6.1 and this is also 6.1. But I'm going to unbox this. Well, it was by Flipkart, so we just had to unbox it and take a look initially to see and verify the product is okay or not. But I'm just going to do this unboxing properly now. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and unbox this iPhone 15. So I'm gonna take off this tape. So this has an additional tape. I think this is by Flipkart, and then the original seal is here, but it comes out as long, when you pull out this outer tape together. Same for this. Let me remove this tape, and it gives you a marking as void. So when you remove it, it will print this void on this box, so you can check it to be sure that the box was never opened when you buy this iPhone. So let's go ahead and now take out the cover. Okay, so I ordered the black color, as you can see, and now let's go ahead and take out the phone. And as you can see, this has a very matte kind of finish, and this is the 48 megapixel camera. Now let me go ahead and remove the screen. There you go. Now inside the box, apart from the phone, you get some stickers, and then there is a safety instruction, and then a SIM ejector tool, and then you also get this USB-C. It's a braided cable which is in white color that you get in the box as well. So these are the only items that you get inside the box. Let me keep it to a side, and let's take a look at the phone itself. So let's go ahead and set it up, and I can see that this has already been set up to my Wi-Fi. And let me select the country or region, and it's asking me to set up the Face ID, which I can do this later. And to create a passcode, no, I'll create that later as well. So I'll do don't use passcode. Now it's asking to transfer your apps and data. So I took a backup of the 12 with the iPhone 12 that I had to the iCloud. So now I'm going to restore that to this device. So it's asking me to enter my email, the Apple, the ID credentials. Let me go ahead and enter that real quick. So it's checking now, and it says that it has sent a verification code to my other Apple devices, but I don't have anything on me right now. So I'm gonna do a didn't get a code. So that's going to probably call on this number, and it is going to give me that code. So let's do that. So it's going to give a call right now.
Code is 119278.
So it's 119278. Now this is a good process that they have in case if you don't have your other devices. So it's going to give you a call, and now it's trying to sign you in. These are some terms and conditions which we will agree. And then it's setting up everything for me. As you can see, it's setting up the apps. It's signing in for me. So we will give it a little bit of time. Now by that we can explore the design a little bit. So now then on the iPhone 15 onwards, you don't get a notch anymore over here. So you get a dynamic island, which just increases the space for viewing your things much better. So it's asking to enter the passcode for the other iPhone. So this was the last iPhone which we had. So I'm going to just enter that password. And it's taking a little bit of time to sync that from the server, and then so that it can set it up for us. Let's give it a little bit of time. Okay, it says that no backups available. I'm not sure why is it doing that, because I selected as a to select from the restore, but anyways I'm going to do that as setup as a new iPhone. And it is again asking me to sign with your email or phone number, to use with iCloud, the App Store, and the Apple services. Let me go ahead and enter this real quick and I'll get back to you. So I think there was some issue with my internet, which is why it was not able to validate that, or it is an iOS bug, I'm not sure. But let's see. Now it says that make this your new iPhone. Here's everything set up as you had it on your other iPhone. So apps and data, screen settings, I'm gonna choose what exactly we want to transfer. So let's see in the customize. Okay, so future software updates, this is actually asking for the consent. We'll do a continue. Location services, we will turn on the location services. And it is Siri, which I can set it up later, so I'll just continue later, set up later in settings. And it has a screen time, I'll set it up in later as well. iPhone analytics, I don't need to share. And an emergency SOS, if you want to set that up, we'll continue that. And it says welcome to iPhone. So swipe up to get started. So let's swipe up. So you can see that I already have my SIM card, which is actually been inserted into this new iPhone while it was being traded in. So let's go ahead and take a look if everything is back or not. So this is messages. Let's do OK. And some of the messages are back up and the others are still in the process, it looks like. Let's go to the screen and then let's check the call logs. So the call logs, it hasn't synced, but my contacts are basically synced over here, so which is a good thing. And the messages, I think it is still syncing up, or I don't know, but I didn't had anything important in the SMS anyways. And it's asking me to turn on the iMessage and FaceTime. I will just don't use. I normally don't use FaceTime much. And let's check out the weather. And I'll allow it while using the app. So this is my location right now, and you can see that this is the temperature. And well, the viewing experience is like much better on the 15 compared to the 12 because of the dynamic island. You get a little bit of more space. Allow widgets from weather to use your location. I'll just allow, it says weather may use your location for up to 15 minutes and being after being viewed to stay up to date. I don't need that, so I'll go ahead and just do a don't allow. Maybe I can just set this up later. So now let's go ahead and finish setting up the iPhone. What it says, finish setting up. Face ID, I'll do it later. Passcode, I'll use it later. Don't use a passcode. Siri, I'll set it up later. That's it. So it says some iCloud data isn't syncing. So maybe I'll go ahead and do a resume data sync. And it's asking me to enter my Apple password. So let me do that as well. Okay, now let's hit done. And it's kind of like, as you can see over here, it's loading. And it's doing something. We'll give it a little bit of time. Okay. It's asking to enter the passcode for the other device. Now it accepted, it seems. Previously it was not working. Okay. Okay. So everything looks good. It actually imported my Wi-Fi settings as well, as I can see, because I haven't set my Wi-Fi when I first, started started the phone. So I'm gonna also turn off the Bluetooth for now, and let me turn off. And the mobile data, I'm gonna turn that off as well because it's connected to the Wi-Fi now. Now let's go ahead and check the software, what version it is running on, and we have the automatic updates which is enabled over here, and it has the iOS 17.6, I guess 17.6.1. So we have a software update which is 17.7, or we're also getting this upgrade to iOS 18, which we can do as well. Now, if we look at the side of the phone, then you have your regular, silent switch, and then you have your volume up and down, and then you have your USB-C, and then you have your speaker ports here. You have your SIM tray over here, and you have your power button on the right-hand side. That's it. Now, at the back, you get this, huge 48 megapixel cameras, as you can see, and it has a flash and a mic. And it has a big chunky Apple logo as well, and this color, this finish on the black on this iPhone 15 looks really stunning and premium. This used to be earlier on the normal, like on Pro models, but I think starting from the 15 they have started giving it on the non-Pro models as well. So this was all about the new iPhone 15 that I had. If you have any questions, please go ahead and ask, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Till then, keep subscribing and hit that bell icon to stay updated for any of my updates in the future. I will see you on the next one.